Hi, you guys, welcome to my channel. So lately I have been posting a lot about my personal size planner. I have been in a Filofax. I recently ended up getting a Louis Vuitton personal size or medium ring agenda, and in the damier ebene or eben. And now I am going to be showing you my Moterm, and this is the luxe. So I am so excited. I ordered it in, it's like a forest green, and I'm super excited to see what it looks like in person. So this is it. So basically, Moterm is on Amazon. They have an Amazon storefront. They also have their site on AliExpress. And you can also follow them on Instagram to see kind of when they're doing releases. So I have been waiting for the vegetable tanned collection to restock. I'm kind of stalking them a little bit in a personal size, but it has been sort of hit and miss. And then I noticed that they did release the green, but let me show you why I ended up going with this one. They are leather, and then you get like a little card, like a thank you card, and then it asks you, I guess, to leave, if you like it, to leave them sort of a review. And yeah, that is what is there. So if you go on AliExpress, as I said, you can order these. I've ordered several of them, so I know the quality is great. They withstand sort of, using them every day. And yeah, so here they always come in a nice little dust bag. So really pretty, very simple. I love me some gray and neutrals. But as I said, I ordered this. I'm going to give you the proper name, and hopefully I will remember and scroll it here. But this is absolutely stunning. Like, seeing it in person is so pretty. Even the stitchings in that green, it's so gorgeous. And then you get your fly leaf in here. So if you're not familiar, the fly leaf usually has your pen loop, and it is elasticized for their newer ones. And then you have, it looks like 3 card slots here. So I'm just going to put this aside. And I love that they package their things really nicely. The price point is definitely better than buying a Gilio. Even Filofax is pretty pricey as well. I think I did pay probably a good, I want to say like a good $60, $70 even for my personal size Filofax. So comparison. So here we go. So this is basically a 2-for-1. So that's what really made me want to go for this, because I paid, I believe, $130, and normally one of these is close to probably 100. So I thought, you know what, let me buy this one because it is a 2-for-1. So what I mean by that is you get your paper here, which is just a lined paper, and then this does come out. So I will be probably changing out the hardware. I do have another gold, which will look really nice against this green. And I'm debating, should I use this for fall, or do you think this would be better as like a Christmas winter setup? So I'm still going back and forth if I want to christen it now and use it for my next fall setup and get out of my Louis Vuitton, or do I want to wait and have more of a Christmas winter theme going for this? But knowing me, I'll probably be back in a different planner, so it may be just part of my fall setup. So I like rotating my planners and having options so that I don't get all the wear and tear on my planners. So as I said, you get this setup in here. So you have one pocket here, you have a secretarial here at the front, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I love about this is I can use this just as it is. So I don't need to use it inside this back secretarial, but you can. So here we go. So you have here, you have an open ID pocket, then you have one. So you have your ID, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have 1, 2, and technically you have a third secretarial if you were to take this out here, which is fantastic. You have so much storage in here. So then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your perfect everyday carry It would be definitely chunky, but you know, it could work. So if you want to carry like money in here, you could. You have one zipper here at the side. You could put change in here. So this could be your wallet, your everything. So this is a pocket in here, which doesn't open. And then you do have a pocket here as well that doesn't come through. I feel like when I saw some of these versions, it went all the way through. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do love that this one doesn't do that. Then you have your back pocket here. So here why I say this is the perfect 2-for-1. So if you're finding that this is going to be like way too chunky, a mini I seen will actually fit in here. So how amazing is that? Like, that is perfect. So it literally is a perfect fit, because I was actually going to order another mini cover, because I do have a few mini like cover accessories. I have my Coach covers, notebook covers that I've been modifying to use. I have some snapping covers. I have some Happy Planner mini ones, but I love this idea. So it fits in here absolutely perfectly, and it will be a chunky girl. And then you would have this to set up for just, you know, this with your fly leaf here. The only difference is you obviously wouldn't have your like snap cover here. So that's the only difference, but I love the idea that I could have my matching set here. This is why I want to stay in a mini HP, because I love the idea of having this basically as a 2-for-1. So at least even here you have your pen loop. In here I would lose my pen loop, but that's fine, because I have my mini Happy Planner set up with like a pen loop on as another attachment. So I love that. So that is basically the unboxing of this Moterm. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to be doing with it and how I'm going to set it up, and if I'm just going to leave it kind of chunky for my personal size, or if I'm going to change it out and use it just, you know, as is, or with the 2 pieces. So that is it. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave it down below. And as I said, you can find Moterm on Instagram. They have them on Amazon storefront, so you can purchase it from any of those sites, or AliExpress, which I did for this one, because Amazon for us in Canada is very limited. So that's it. So if you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, hit subscribe on your way out. And then I will see you guys on another video. Bye.